Hi friends, this video shows how to install app in this Google TV. First go to apps, then go down, then select search for apps and games. Select it. Then here we need to type the name of the app which we want to install. So let me type MX. I am going to install MX Media Player. MX Player. Then select search button. See, this is a search result. From this list, this result, let me select MX Player TV. I am going to install that app. Then select install. So now it's downloading that app. Now it's installing. Okay, installation completed. Let me open it. So this way we can install any app. Just search and install. That's all. Okay, so then let me go back. So here the app which we installed, the icon of that app we can see here. If you go to this for use section, here also we can see the icon of that app. Go to your apps. See, here we can see the MX Player. So this way we can install any app.